Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard max, state board, chapter 11, exercise 11.4, sixth sum. The time of failure in thousand of hours of an electronic equipment used in manufactured computer has the density function f of x equal to 3 e power minus 3x where x greater than 0 and 0 elsewhere. Find the expected life of this electronic equipment. That is, you should find out the mean. So what is the mean formula? Mean equal to expectation of x equal to mean equal to expectation of x equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x f of x into dx, x f of x into dx. So mean equal to expectation of x equal to 0 elsewhere means you can take the value 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity x. F of x is 3 e power minus 3x into dx, minus 3x into dx. 3 is constant, you can take it out, 0 to infinity x e power minus 3x into dx. Here, by using the gamma integral, 0 to infinity x power n e power minus ax dx equal to n factorial by a power n plus 1, n value equal to 1, n value equal to 1 and a value equal to 3. So 3 into 1 factorial by 1 factorial by a power 3 power 1 plus 1, 3 power 1 plus 1. So it gives 3 into 1 by 3 square. 1 by 3 square, you cancel the value. Expectation of x mean equal to 1 by 3. Mean equal to 1 by 3. That means expected life of this electronic equipment equal to 1 by 3. That is 0.667, 0.333. 0.333. See the seventh sum. The probability density function of the random variable x is given by f of x equal to 16x e power minus 4x for x greater than 0, 0 for x less than or equal to 0. Find the mean and variance. What is mean? What is the formula for mean? Equal to expectation of x equal to integral minus infinity to plus infinity x f of x dx. So 0 elsewhere, so you can start the value from 0 to infinity because x greater than 0. X into what is our f of x? 16 into x e power minus 4x into dx, which implies 16 is constant, you can take it out. Integral 0 to infinity x square e power minus 4x into dx. So mean equal to 16 integral 0 to infinity x square e power minus 4x into dx. By using the gamma integral, 0 to infinity x power n e power minus ax dx equal to n factorial by a power n plus 1. Here n value equal to 2 and a value equal to 4. Don't take minus sign because it is already in the formula. So mean equal to 16 into n factorial is 2 factorial by 2 power 4 plus 1, 2 power 4 plus 1. So 16 into 2 factorial is 2 power 2 power 5, 2 power 5 get cancel. So what is the value of mean? Mean equal to mean equal to 2 power 2 power, sorry, a value is 4, a value is 4, a value is 4, 2 factorial by a value is 4, 4 power n plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, 4 power a plus 1, that is 2 plus 1. So 16 into 2 factorial is 2 by 4 cube, 2 factorial is 2 by 4 cube mean equal to 16 into 2 by 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 fours are 16, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So mean equal to expectation of x equal to 1 by 2. Mean equal to expectation of x equal to x square. Expectation of x square equal to expectation of x square. Expectation of x square equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x square f of x into dx, x square f of x into dx. So integral minus 0 to infinity, because the limit starts from 0. So integral 0 to infinity x square into 16, x square into 16 e power x square into 16 e power x e power minus 4x, x e power minus 4x into dx. So 16 is constant, integral 0 to infinity x cube e power minus 4x into dx. The same gamma integral we can use it here. So 16 into a factorial by, sorry, n factorial by, n factorial is 3 factorial by a power n plus 1, 4 power 3 plus 1, 4 power 3 plus 1. So it gives 16 into 3 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 by 4 power 4, 4 power 4. So 16 into 6 by 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, 4 fours are 16 get cancelled, 4 fours are 16 get cancelled, 3 twos are 2 twos are. So the answer is e of x square equal to 3 by 8. E of x square equal to 3 by 8. E of x square equal to 3 by 8. E of x square equal to 3 by 8. 3 by 8. E of x square equal to E of x square equal to 3 by 8. So variance of x. What is variance of x? E of x square minus E of x the whole square. E of x square minus E of x the whole square. So 3 by 8 minus 3 by 8 minus 1 by 2 the whole square. So it gives 3 by 8 minus 1 by 4. So variance of x equal to 8. 8 means 3 minus 2. So the value is 1 by 8. Value is 1 by 8. Mean equal to 1 by 2. Mean equal to 1 by 2. Variance equal to mean equal to 1 by 2. Variance equal to 1 by 8. See, eighth sum. A lottery with 600 tickets gives one prize of rupees 200, four prize of rupees 400, four prize of rupees 100 and six prize of rupees 50. If the ticket cost is rupees 2, find the expected winning amount of ticket. See, n of s equal to 600, because total sample space is 600 tickets. 600, n of s equal to 600. X can takes the value 200 rupees, 100 rupees and 50 rupees and 0, 50 and 0, 50 and 0. So p of x equal to 200. P of x equal to 200. P of x equal to 200 equal to, see, one price for rupees 200. So you will write 1 by 600. 1 by 600. P of x equal to 400. P of x equal to 100. P of x equal to 100 means 4 prices for 100. So 4 by 600. 4 by 600. Next, P of x equal to P of x equal to 50. P of x equal to 50. See, P of x equal to 50, 6 prices. 6 prices means what? 6 by 600. 6 by 600. So P of x equal to 0. P of x equal to 0. 589. How it is 589 by 600? 589. So you can take the values. See, 1, 4, 5. 5 plus 5 plus 6, 11. So 600 minus 11. 600 minus 11 is what? 589. So remaining, if x equal to 0, 589. Is it clear, children? X equal to 0 means you can count this value 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. So total 600 minus 11 gives the value 589 by 600. So x can takes the value, x can takes the value 200, 50 and 0. P of x equal to x. P of x equal to x. If it is 200 means 1 by 600. 100 means 4 by 600. 650 means 6 by 600. And 0 means 589 by 600. 589 by 600. We should find out the expected. We should find out the expected amount of winning. Expected amount of winning. Expectation of x. E of x equal to x into sigma x into f of x. Sigma x into sigma x into f of x. Sigma x into f of x equal to 200 into 1 by 600 plus 100 into 4 by 600 plus 50 into 6 by 600. 6 by 600 plus 0 into 589 by 600. 0 into 589 by 600. So 200 by 600 plus 400 by 600. 400 by 600 plus 300 by 600. 0 into any number? 0. So 600. Totally 600. 200 plus 400, 600. 600 plus 300, 900. 900. You can cancel the value. What is the value? 9 by 6 or 3 by 2. 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 means 1.50. 1.50. So expected amount of winning. Expected amount of winning equal to expected amount of winning equal to rupees. Expected amount of winning equal to expected amount of winning equal to rupees 150. Rupees 150. Rupees 150. But the ticket amount is one ticket cost. Ticket amount. One ticket cost rupees 2. One ticket cost rupees 2. One ticket cost rupees 2. So difference. Profit equal to profit equal to, if you are paying the amount rupees 2, what is the profit amount? Profit difference equal to profit difference equal to 1 rupees. Profit difference equal to 1 rupee 50 minus 2 minus 2. So it is not a profit, it is a loss because minus 0.50. So you are getting the loss of rupees 50 paise. You are getting the loss of rupees 50 paise. So if you are going to the exhibition, you are paying the amount, you are getting the ticket, and if you play the games, see the calculation. Expected amount of winning is rupees 150, but your ticket amount is what? Rupees 2. You can see the difference. You can see the difference here itself. 2 rupees you are paying, but expected amount of winning is rupees 150. So you are lost. You are losing the amount. You are lost the amount rupees 1. You are losing the amount rupees 50 paise. 50 Paise. I hope you understood, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.